Hello friends, this is Vidyut Vishwas and welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about a method how to enter a stock at exact bottom, means the dot to dot bottom. Before starting this class, I want to share my number. My mobile number is 9624019438. If you have any query related my method, you can and contact me with this number at WhatsApp. Uh, and also if you want to learn from me, you can WhatsApp me at this number. So now I am starting this method, friends. This method will see help exactly at the how to enter a stock at the exact bottom. So I will start with the SBI. See, but for this method, we will have to use the monthly chart, and we will have to find a monthly chart and have to check the all-time chart where the exact support is. Means year after year, where the exact support is, we will have to find out. See here at the SBI, see at the year of the 2010, it's trading at the 350 level, and see after that it's corrected up to the 150 level, and again is bounced back to the 250 level, and again corrected to the 150 level at the 2013, and again slightly bounce back and even kind to the 150 level till at the 2014, and again going up to the 330 level, and again coming to the 150 level, and again going to the 350 level and taking a good support at the to 30 to 40 level. And see, and finally it broke this level and corrected drastically in up to the again 150 level. So see here, if we will, if we are following these drops when it is corrected drastically, then we can check the monthly chart and check where the actually support, actually it's taking support year after year. See, at the 150 level, it's taken support at the 2011, at the 2013, 2014, 2016. And so we can draw a vertical line here to where the to know where the actual support is. And see here also it's taken support at the 150 level. So if you are already drawn this line, support line, which is on which is taking multi-year support, if you know this support zone, then you can with a very little stop loss, and you can enter. See here, if when it is trading suppose near about the 153 152 level, then you can and put a limit order of the suppose with a limit order with the price of the 150, and you can put a limit order, and after some time at the when it will come to the 150, it will execute. So because you know the it's taking year after year from the last year is taking support at the 150 level, so you can take a risk with a very small stop loss. Suppose with the 5-6% stop loss means you can put a stop loss at the 140. Then if it will hit this 140 the weekly closing basis, then you will lose only 10 rupees. But you can see here with this method, see it's actually those who entered. I already shared it during my entry with my student. So those who entered here, see within 1 or 2 weeks, it's come to the 190 level. So that means more than the 25 to 30% return within 1 2 weeks. And again, now see here with this method, we are exactly entered at the dot to dot bottom, and up to what level we can export journey. Yes, see here, if we will check the again from the support resistance, there is the answer. See, if we will check the chart of the SBI, see at the 240 level, there is a strong support before this. In it's from the 2016 to 2020, it's taking support at the 240 level, and when finally it's broke the 240 level, and so it's coming back to the 150 level at the final support. So again, here also we can expect up to this match journey, but I am not telling that when it will go to the this is there is a surety that it will go to the 240 level, but this is a chance that it can go up to the 240 level. But we will have to be very careful at that level. Obviously, we will have to. I have a method that called the trailing stop loss method. We at that level also with the increasing price, we will have to use the we will have to also shift the stop loss also. So with the trailing stop loss, we can save our profit. So 240 level again we will analyze the stocks what is that time what current trend will show. So up to this we can accordingly that we can take our decision. So now another, so not, it's not the only one stock. Another with the another stock we can also discuss that stock is called Vedanta. I already shared these stocks at the my metal index video. You see, if we will check the all time chart, obviously for this method we will have to check the all time chart. See, Vedanta taken a good support here at the level of 60 at the year of the 2008, and again it's going back to the 500 level and coming down to this level, but not come to that level at the 60 level. See, at the 2016 also it corrected up to the 60 level, and again bounce back. And see, this time also those who are tracking in Vedanta, see, they witness of the very good correction, and here up to that the same level. So those who are checking the all time chart, they know and draw a vertical line at this zone. See, they know at the price of the 60 to 63 means either 59 or 60. I think we can assume that this is a 60. So at the 60 level, there is a very, very, very strong support which is valid from the 2008, and it's again taken the support. So we can draw a vertical line here and see here. It's exactly taken support here and bounce back, and now price is trading at the 105 level. So those who entered at this stock, those who know there is a all-time support, there is a good support which is valid for the 12, last 12 years, they can enter this type of stocks at the exact dot to dot bottom. And you see here with a very little stop loss, suppose if stop loss, you put a stop loss 55 at the weekly closing basis, so it's only 5 to 6% stop loss. And see those who enter here and they are now enjoying the price is of the 105. That means it's almost more than 40%. 45 means those who enter at the 65, that means 45 rupees profit. That means all more than seven is the 75% return within 3 months time frame also. And up to what level we can expect here, that also we can get the target also from the this chart. See from the support resistance here at the 130, see at the 133 135 level there is a very strong resistance there. Here also and here also it may, I am not telling that we will have to exit here, but obviously we will have to play with the trailing stop loss at this zone. We will again analyze, but at least if it will coming this zone, that is also more than 100%. So using this method, see, we pick the stocks at the perfect bottom, and enjoying this rally. And see, and another stock is National Aluminium. Those who are following these stocks, they also know that and where the exact multi-year support is. See, at the year of the 2004, it's taking support here and coming back to the this level, bounce back to the this level, and again coming to the 25 level at the year of the 2008, and again bounce back to the 130 level, and again coming to the level of the 25 at the year of the 2013, again bounce back up to the 60 70 level, and again coming to the 25 level, and again slightly bounce back, again taking support. See here, if we will draw a vertical horizontal line here. See, at this level of the 26, the level is taken support at the 2004, 2008, 2000, slightly below at the level of 25 to 26, and again at the 2015. And so if you will know that up after from the 2014 it's taking support at the 25 to 26 level, then we can again we can assume that at this correction also it will come to the 25 to 26 level. So suppose when it is trading 26 level, then we can enter at the stocks with a 26 level with a very little stop loss of the 2 rupees. If suppose 2 rupees we can enter, and weekly closing basis if it will hit, then obviously we will exit. But see here, those who enter at the 26 level, it's given high of the 35. So that means 35, that means already 9 rupees, that means the more than 30% return we already he got in. And I am expecting see what the target, see expecting here the next resistance is the 40 level. 42 says if it will reach that level also, that is the almost I think more than 50% return. And but I am not telling that it will bound, it will back from the 40 level. It may go up to this level also, but we will again, I'm telling that we will have to telling stop loss method. And my purpose is not to up to what level it will go, but my purpose is to enter this type of stocks at the exact bottom. And see here at the all three stocks I shared with you, all three we entered those stocks at the exact bottom. See, sometimes it will not this much horizontal, sometimes it is slightly inclined on decline lines also. So suppose I am giving a example of the Hindalco. See, if we are taking the monthly chart of the Hindalco, see, it's don't having any vertical support. In fact, it having a inclined support. See, it's taken a support here at the year of the, sorry, just 1 minute. See, it taken support at the year of the 2008, and again slightly after slightly bounce again at the 2009, taking support at the almost same level, but it's not coming to that level after that. See, it's taken again coming here and again this time also. So how to pick this stock? So I exactly, those who have seen already seen my metal index video, they know that I given these stocks at the I shared that stock at the metal index video at the 85 level. So I have said I have just joined these two lines. See, I joined in this point, and this point, and this point. See, it's not close below that line. So we can. This is a valid trend line which is covering these all 4 points. So if we will extend this line, see where it is taking support. It is taking support exactly at the 85 level. 84, 85 level. So those who know about this support, which is the deadline support, which is valid from the 2009, see here it is taking support at the 2015 and 16 also. They can extend this line and assume that where from where it can, and it can go back. So see here. So exactly at the those who know that it's having a support at the 85 level, so they can put a stop loss order market limit order with the 85 with a stop loss of the 80 only very, that means only 5 to 6% risk. They can enter here and see that those who enter at this zone with this support, they enjoying this rally. See, it's already come to the 150 level. That means they got already if 50 65 rupees. That means already 80% in return they got. So now we are telling we are using tailing stop loss. We can use tailing stop loss here, and we can protect our profit here. It may go see here. It may go up to the 175 level. There is a first resistance level. It may go up to E here immediately, but after that also it can go in there also. But I am not predicting up to what level it can go. Oh, but see here, all these port stocks, we are able to pick these stocks at the exact bottom. So this method is very useful. I am using this method right now. So it is very much helpful to me pick a stock at the exact bottom. So friends, please practice this method and let me know how it is effective. Please, if it is, if after seeing this video, if you think that this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends. So friends, for now, bye bye and good night.